Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 Multiair engine, guys, and you're trying to remove your timing cover, guys, on the side of the engine, let's say you're leaking oil or you need to replace timing tensioner, timing chain tensioner, or you need to work something on the engine, guys, we'll show you how to remove that timing cover and what needs to be done to reseal it if you have an oil leak. Now this is the 2.4 Multiair engine. This is Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler and Fiat engine, guys, so it can be found in many different vehicles, but it's exactly the same engine. You do not have to remove the engine out of the car while we have it out, so we can, guys, show you with a great detail how to do things. Otherwise, if it's in the vehicle, it's practically impossible to do that. In addition, every car we get at the shop, we'll be making at least 200 videos, guys. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Let's start on it now. So if the engine is in the vehicle, guys, when you open the hood, you're going to face it that way, so everything that we'll be doing on the left side. So stay with us and we'll show you what to do now. So guys, let me explain quick. If the engine is in the vehicle, you'll face it that way when you open the hood. Right here you have the air filter box, so stay with us, we'll explain what you need to do. First, you need to remove your engine cover. Just pull it straight up. It has 4 rubber bushings that it attaches to. 1, 2, 3, 4, and those, guys, they attach to the valve cover. Let us explain you where now, guys. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll show you guys what you need to do now. So right here you have the air filter box, guys. This is the hose for the intake. And you need to get that hose clamp loose, and once you get it loose, you can go ahead and pull the hose out. You just unscrew it with a flathead screwdriver, like this one here. We'll need to do one more on this side, on the throttle body. Check it out. Just get it loose there as well. Now this is the intake temperature sensor. Remove that one as well. Let me go on the other side so I can show you a little bit better where things are a little bit limited room. Here, guys, you're going to have one clip. That clip will look like the clip right here, but it's broken. You go with the clip removal tool underneath and you pull that clip out. Then you have a 10mm bolt holding right there. Go ahead, remove it, guys. Like that. And you can grab that piece and pull it up. So you can see that's some of the first steps about removing the valve cover. To remove that valve cover out of the engine now, guys. Next, you can see where your engine cover attaches on top. This thing will need to come out. Like that. Just unscrew it right here. Do not lose that thing, guys. Very important not to lose it. So next, right here, you can see we need to disconnect that clamp. Push down on it. Perfect, like that. Remove that nut, 10mm. Now this is your camshaft position sensor. Disconnect it. Press. That thing, ours is broken. That brown thing, you need to push it up. Then you're going to press here and pull it out. Like that. And that coolant pipe actually attaches to the coolant reservoir. Right here it says bottle. Check it out. One clamp, remove it, and you can go ahead and pull it out, or you just pull it out of the engine and you flip it on the side, guys. What else we need to do? Quite a bit of work here now, guys. We need to disconnect our wiring harness, and now the interesting part is here, because we'll need to start taking things apart. And first we need to remove the ignition coils. Let me focus quick here. That red thing, press it back, push down, now right here, and disconnect the coils one by one. Perfect, this one is out too. Just press, disconnect them. And we can go ahead and remove the ignition coils now with a 10mm socket that we'll need to do, guys. And you can see each of the ignition coils, it has one bolt that we need to remove. Perfect. Next, grab them, pull them out, guys. we dropped one of our bolts, so pick it up if you do that. Leave your spark plugs in, because if you drop anything you can pull it out later, otherwise it's going to end up in the engine. You can see how deep that hole is. Unbelievable. Next, guys, we have a few more things to do here. We will disconnect the wiring harness now. Okay, you're going to have clips, guys, plastic clips like this one here, and you remove them with a clip removal tool. Go underneath, okay, underneath right here. When you get it loose, right there, that way you will not break it, guys. Okay, because somebody already broke it, the one here, and you're going to have one right there. You see, this is broken, this one is good. So if you can go underneath, go ahead and pull them that way. Perfect. Here, guys, we have one sensor that we need to disconnect. Okay, like that. Okay, you can check it out. PCV hose on the back side there, disconnect it as well. Okay, great. Now let's see what else we need to do here in order, guys, to be able to pull that valve cover out. Everything else should be good there. 8mm socket, and we start removing bolts, guys. Get them loose, you will not be able to pull them out. Some may come out, but you actually have to keep them on the cylinder head, and we'll explain later how to replace them as well. If you need to buy a new gasket, we'll have, guys, the link in the description of the video below, so check it out. Okay, where we get ours from. Okay, I'm trying to show you where all the bolts are to follow the action. Perfect. Right here in the middle we have 4 more that are hidden. That impact is amazing, guys. We have it listed in the description of the video below in case you want to get one. Saves you so much time. Perfect. Now that gasket might be stuck, guys, so you might need to pry here a little bit with a screwdriver. Okay, just careful. If it's not coming out, probably something's still holding. Okay, a little bit in the back it's holding, so let's pry a little bit there. One more bolt. I told you, guys, if it may be stuck, okay, it may be stuck, but if it's not coming, okay, loose after you pry it a little bit. Don't force it, guys. Okay, let's see if anything else is holding. Maybe we have a bolt that is not loose all the way. Yep, one in the corner right there. Once we remove it, I'll show you where all the bolts are as well. Okay, we get it out. Let me show you where all the bolts are. This is the front of the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, guys. Okay, remember 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 bolts. And this is, guys, the valve cover. Every time you remove it, it's recommended to replace the gaskets, and don't forget to replace the one in the middle here for the spark plugs as well. Next, we'll bring the engine to TDC, top dead center point. Okay, this is TDC mark here, and you have one mark on the inside of the crankshaft pulley. It's okay, right there, it's coming. You can see it, oh, right there. That's TDC point, guys, and we're ready to go now. So with 10mm, guys, we're going to get the 3 bolts. Okay, 3 bolts for the water pump loose. That way we can remove the pulley later, because we'll need to remove that one so we can remove the timing cover. So we'll need to remove the serpentine belt for the next step. This is your tensioner pulley, 16mm socket, or 5/8 works as well. Go ahead, counterclockwise, okay, and pull the belt out. The only way you can pull it out from is the idle pulley, and you can completely remove the belt. I'll definitely recommend to buy a new belt now. If you want to see, guys, where we get our parts from, check out the link in the description of the video below. Fast shipping, good prices, so I'll definitely recommend it. Next, guys, it's really hard to remove that bolt, okay, and I'll show you what we use, something that's not very expensive. people will buy super expensive air compressors and things like that. We use that 6-gallon pancake compressor by DeWalt. You can see how little it is, but that thing is super powerful. It goes to 165 psi. This is unbelievable, guys. 165, and right now it's stopped at 170. So even when a little bit more, it's a 6-gallon tank, but it's enough, guys, to do the impact for probably 30 to 40 seconds. So that's definitely enough time to remove the bolt. We'll show you how powerful it is. In addition, we use an Ingersoll Rand. Okay, Ingersoll Rand impact. Those are amazing. They come in different colors as well. This is super powerful, guys. Impact. So 22mm socket, and we'll show you how it takes just a couple seconds, okay, to remove that bolt now. Okay, perfect. Now you can see it just took us a couple seconds, okay, to do that in no time. As you can see, guys, our TDC moved a little bit, so what we're going to do, okay, we're going to bring it back to TDC mark again. Okay, perfect, just like that. Now we can go ahead and grab the pulley. It's a keyed pulley, and remove it. You don't need to worry about anything else. Okay, and you can see it came out of the way now. So next we're going to remove the pulley for the water pump. Perfect. With that out of the way, okay, we're getting closer and closer. We need to remove this pulley and that pulley there as well. There is a little bit of difference. One is reverse threaded. The bottom one is going counterclockwise to get it loose. This is the idle pulley, the tensioner pulley. You need to go clockwise to get it loose. This is because due to the fact that it's reverse threaded, so by going counterclockwise to install the belt or remove the belt, you will not get the bolt loose. So this one, okay, this one is 16mm, okay, right there. Perfect. You can see reverse threaded, guys, got it out. On the bottom of the engine we have, this is the oil pan. We have 4 bolts that we need to remove. 1. We got them loose, guys, so we don't have to waste your time. 3, and the last one is a 12mm. Okay, this one there. Those are out. Now we have a few more bolts that we need to remove here. We'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay. We'll need to remove, guys, the bracket for the AC compressor on the bottom. You don't have to remove the AC compressor. Okay, just one bolt here and a few bolts underneath. Okay, we'll show you where they're located. This one is too long. Okay, and we have one more, I think. Perfect, almost coming out now. Okay, great. This one came out. Now, let's see if we have a hidden bolt here. Well, right there, we just have one more that we need to remove. So, we'll just go ahead and remove it now. Perfect. We can go ahead and start removing the timing cover now. 10mm socket first, guys. Twelve millimeter now. Okay, this is a bigger one. Looks like those are, this is 13. And the other ones are either 14 or 15 millimeters. 15 from what it looks like, maybe. Okay, yep, 15 millimeter. Perfect. Now guys, you have to be extremely careful how you remove that thing because you can crack it. There is two guides, okay, one here, one over there. So gently pry guys, if you pry a little bit too much, that thing can crack in no time. We broke a couple in the past from not being careful, so we learned our mistake guys, from our mistake, and now we go very slow. Okay, this one came out easy. This is all the silicone now. When you're ready to reseal it guys, we'll show you what we use, what we clean it with, and all that stuff will be listed in the description of the video below. We'll have the links for your convenience. We use a scraper like that, okay, and usually, okay, we're going to clean all the silicone. You clean it really good, clean it with brake cleaner after that, clean your engine block, make sure things don't go in the oil pan. And this is guys actually the gray silicone we like. We like it even better than the red one, and it's ultra gray, maximum torque. We've used that one for so long and we haven't had any problems with it. It seals really good. So you can see timing cover is out now. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.